Good morning, this is Sean with Kiefer Landscaping and Nursery. I'm here this morning with a few late fall and winter pruning tips for you. Things to do around the garden to get you out of the house on some of these nice sunny days. This is a great time of year for pruning, especially for deciduous trees and shrubs because you can see the structure now that the leaves are gone. It's also a great time to prune out any branches that you see that are crossing each other or that are rubbing against each other, as that can lead down the road to weakened growth or even provide an entry point for insects or disease. You just want to go in, again, and prune out any dead growth, any crossing growth, and any little weak stems that you see, or anything that may have been damaged over the summer. It's also a good time of year if you're out pruning to clip back the sasanqua camellias. These are the fall blooming ones, the ones that are blooming now. Once they're done blooming, it's a great time to go out and shear them off, prune off any kind of wild growth, or give them a more serious clip back if they need to be contained, or if you're wanting to reduce their size. It's a great time of year also to go out and prune out or clip back any dead perennials if you haven't done that already. And the stems on those are done for this year. They've done all they're going to do. Even if they have a few leaves hanging on them, it's the time of year to go ahead and cut those back. Most of those can be cut back to the ground because they send up new growth from the base next spring. We also get a lot of people concerned this time of year about their arborvitaes. As winter is coming, the snow or ice can wait or freeze on those branches and cause them to splay open, and often they won't recover from that, or the branches can break. So we recommend tying those. You can just use regular twine or string to hold those branches together. You can do it internally if you don't want it to be visible, or just wrap around the outside a couple places at the tip and maybe partway down, so that those branches, if they get snow or ice on them, aren't going to tip open like they do, and again, reduce breakage or damage from winter storms that way with those. We also wanted to just remind you about watering. A lot of times we forget about watering in the cold weather in the winter, but the plants still need water. So maybe not nearly as much certainly as they would in the summer, but every 10 days to 2 weeks or so, if we don't get a really good rain, it's good to go out and give them a good soaking. Finally, fall is still a great time to plant. We still have a great selection of shrubs and trees here at Kiefer Nursery, so come on by and add some color to your landscape. This has been Sean for Kiefer Landscaping and Nursery, and thank you very much for watching.